Okay, about 14 hours ago, I shot a deer, I think, and we're going to try to track it this morning. And it went down this way to see if she can pick up something, but if not, we should see,
I'd say this is where you...
should be some dirt marks or scuff marks where the deer was running.
Cooking off real quick here.
Here's one running here. Yeah, find him. Good boy. Yeah, I'm expecting it never made it to the road. Here. Come on. Don't be afraid of that water. It won't hurt you.
Do you realize how cold this is?
Come on.
You gotta lift them up across the creek anyway.
Come on, Squirt. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Find it.
Shaky,
Find it. Yeah, the arrow's still in it.
yeah. This is a bog in here.
Good boy. Straighten it out, kid. Yeah, straighten it out.
It seems like he's smelling more where the spray is.
Well, sure. I'm kind of proud of him, though. He's done a pretty decent job. There's not a whole lot of... Come on, get it. You're doing good, yeah. We're almost there. Yeah.
Get him, Squirt, get him.
I was starting to have my doubts there for a minute, but... Come on, baby. There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
Interesting how he's got the smell for a while at stuff, you know?
Good boy. What in the hell's that red I see?
I wonder. Coyote?
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, it's just foam you're seeing.
Good boy. Oh yeah. What is it? Huh? Good boy. Good boy. Well, I hit it good. Good boy, Squirt. Yay, Squirt. Hey. Looked like he's puking up his guts, huh?